Hi everyone and welcome back. Happy Taco Tuesday. Today we are making a delicious taco salad with pork tenderloin. I will provide you with the list of the ingredients. This recipe is ridiculously good. I promise you will love it. Please watch the video, share with your friends, family, leave comments, spread the love, and enjoy. Oven is set for 400 degrees. We will slice the pork in tiny little slices, at least 1 inch in between. And this is just to help with the baking process to make it faster. Meanwhile, I'm gonna enjoy this tomato juice, which is delicious and a powerful antioxidant.